dear kids, welcome back again in our English class. Sharing is caring and giving is gaining. Everything we give to others will sooner or later return to us, whether or not it be in a form we expected. Do you have ever helped anyone who is in need? Do you know anyone who always help everyone and never ask anything in reward? Yes, my dear kids, I am talking about our best friends, trees. Trees help us in many ways. They always keep giving things to us and never demanded anything. So today we are going to start a very interesting story about the giving tree. This story is about a tree and a boy. How a tree feels when it helps a small boy. The giving tree story begins with an apple tree. So let us start. Narrator: once there was a tree and it loved a little boy. Every day the boy visits the tree and enjoys its company. So dear kids, here narrator means writer. So writer said, once there was a tree and it loved a little boy, and the boy loved a tree too. The boy every day visits the tree and both of them enjoy each other's company. Tree said, come here my boy, come and climb up my trunk and swing from my branches. So tree said to the boy, come here my boy and climb up my trunk and swing from my branches. The boy swinging from branches, ah, what fun! Tree said, are you hungry? Eat my apples. And the boy, while eating apples, said, how delicious! The boy would gather its leaves, climb up its trunk and swing from its branches. The boy spent lot of time with the tree. Narrator said, when the boy was tired, he slept under the tree. The tree was happy to give its shade. But time went by and the boy grew older and went away. The tree would give the boy shade when he ate apples. They had lot of fun together and they both were very happy. But time went by and the boy started growing up. He visited the tree less and less as he grew older, and the tree grew very lonely and sad. The tree was often alone. After some years, one day the boy came to the tree and the tree was very happy. So after some years, one day the boy came back. The tree wanted to be happy again with the boy. Tree said, come my boy, come and climb up my trunk and swing from my branches. The tree wanted to happy again with the boy, but the boy wasn't there to play. The boy wanted to make money. Boy said, I am too big to climb and play. I want to buy things and have fun. I want to make money. Can you give me some money? But the boy wasn't there to play. The boy wanted to make money. So he said, I am too big to climb and play. I want to buy things for that. Can you give me money? The boy asked to the tree. Tree said, I am sorry, but I have no money. I have only leaves and apples. You can pluck my apples and sell them in the market. Then you will have money. The tree wanted to make the boy happy, so the tree gave him all apples to sell in the market. Narrator said, the boy happily plucked the apples and carried them away. The tree was also happy, but the boy stayed away for a long time and the tree was sad. One day the boy came back and the tree shook with joy. After that, the boy plucked all the apples and carried them to sell in the market. The tree was also happy by helping a boy. But the boy stayed away long time and the tree was sad again. After some days, the boy came back and the tree shook with joy. The tree was very happy to see the boy. Tree said, "Come boy, come my boy, come and climb up my trunk, swing from my branches, eat my apples, play in my shade and be happy." So, the tree said, "Come my boy, swing from my branches and eat my apples and play in my shade." After that, boy said, "I am too busy to climb the trees. I am getting married and I need a house for my wife and children. Can you give me a house?" So, boy said, "I am too busy to climb the trees. Now I am getting married and I wanted to build a house for my wife and children. Can you give me a house?" he asked to the tree. Then the tree said, "I have no house, but you may cut off my branches and build a house." So again the tree gave him all the branches for building a house. Narrator said, "So the boy cut off the tree's branches and carried them away to build a house." So after that, again the tree gave him all its branches for building a house. The boy cut all the branches and carried them away. The tree was very happy, but the boy stayed away for a long time and the tree was sad again. So the tree was very happy, but the tree didn't have much more, but still trying to help the boy. But the boy stayed away for a long time and again the tree was sad. And when he came back after some years, the tree was so happy it could hardly speak. Now the boy was a young man. Now after some years, finally the boy came back. The tree was very happy, but it could hardly speak anything. And now the boy became a young man. So kids, this is our story about the giving tree. We have completed only half part of a story. Remaining part of a story we will cover up in our next session. So till then, bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.